Hello friends, in today's video, I am gonna show you how to root any Android phone using Magisk. So without wasting the time, let's open any of your browser. And here in search bar, type Magisk Manager Official. So this is official Magisk website. Let's open it. Scroll down here. And here is an option, download Magisk app. Tap on it. And download the Magisk APK file. After downloading Magisk app, now let's go back. Now here open your phone file manager and open here download folder. Now here is the file we have downloaded recently. So let's tap on it and install it. Magisk app is installed, so let's open it. As you can see here, there is no root in app yet. Now let's go back again in download folder. And here select the APK file and we have to rename it. First remove the all written here and type magisk.zip. Now tap on rename. As you can see here, the file extension has been changed into zip format. Now let's reboot our phone into recovery mode. Into recovery mode, now tap on install. As you can see, here is the file, we rename it recently. Now let's tap on it and select it. After selecting the file, now tap on swipe to flash. Magisk root is successfully flashed. Reboot your phone. Phone is rebooted now. Let's open the app. And here you can see Magisk root is successfully installed on our device. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.